let's try a hard-boiled egg here on Will It Laser. This is not going to work out very well because this machine is not set up to burn on curved objects. I don't have a rotary yet, so this is going to be a little weird and not going to turn out too well, I think, here. But we'll try it. If you watched the cardboard episode, this is going to be the same pattern. You know, it's Easter. I'm going to carve on my Easter egg. But with the curves and everything, this could be interesting. So let's... Okie dokie. So this is... I think this is going to be number 15. I don't know how they're going to edit out time-wise, but yeah, here's a Will It Laser hard-boiled egg. And we're going to be running this at 325 millimeters a second at 15 power. So we'll see. I have no idea, again, what this is going to do, but away we go. Alrighty, that actually turned out fairly well. Didn't burn through or nothing. Interesting. Let's see if you guys can make sure you can see it. Yeah, kind of interesting, actually. You know what? I'm going to flip her over, and we're going to do the same burn. I'm going to go up to about... That was 15, so let's go up to about... Well, let's double it. Let's go to 30 and see what she does. Okie dokie. So that's double the power. Well, it looks like it rocked a little bit on that one. Yeah, that's double the power. That's actually kind of cool. So... yeah, I guess eggshells will laser. You know what? I'm going to try this one more time, and I'm really going to crank up the power now. Alright, so the first one was 15. The second one was 30% power, and now we're going to 50% power. It's going to overlap a little, but I want to see what it does. Alrighty, so there you go. 15, 30, and 50. It just, yeah, it actually works pretty good. I'm surprised. So now the question is, can we do a hard-boiled egg? Let's see. Doesn't seem, yeah, it doesn't, it doesn't mark the inside of the egg at all. Look at that. That's actually really weird. I know eggshells are tough, but that's cool. Hold on, I'm trying not to get these eggshells everywhere, but it's not working very well. Okay, so let's try the inside. Seeing Easter is coming up. Will It Laser hard-boiled egg.